welcome to today's share on our free analytics shares. What we're going to do is continue our looking at what Splunk is ingesting about itself. An important query to have is the ability to know what your analysts are searching for in Splunk. If people are making inefficient queries, or what are they searching for? Maybe you did a training and you taught them some new query language. What are they using? Are they using it? Or just seeing what other people to query can help improve your own query writing. And so there are lots of different ways, things that can be benefited by seeing what other people are doing inside of Splunk as far as their SPL. And so we're going to do that. We're going to go look here at the search history for users. Again, we're going to search the underscore audit logs, which means you are going to have admin rights on the box. Otherwise, this won't work. All right, if we jump over here, I've got a bunch of stuff commented out because we're going to go over them. The most basic format is index equals underscore audit. Action is search, and then there's this provenance field. There are a whole bunch of provenances. If you don't put this provenance in here, every saved search that you have will also show up. And same with if they search on a dashboard or things like that. So if you go to a dashboard may contain 4 or 5 queries. That'll come back. That's not the same thing as a person writing a query. And so we wanted just to know, what are people writing in the search bar here? And so using this provenance UI : search, you can get back that information. And so that in its most basic will return every user under this, that's system users, whatever. It will bring back everything that has been searched in this search bar. Now that's a lot of information, so we'll quickly show that, but then I'm going to go last 60 minutes, and then we're going to refine it so it's a lot easier to use. You can see there's a lot of information there. I'm not going to have you go through there. You've got lots of information: duration of the query, that's useful, who's making long running queries, how many buckets are being searched, lots of cool stuff, but again, that's out of the scope of this for the moment. We just want to make this simple. So we're going to use table user search. This will just give me the most essential fields. I can see what the user queried and what there was. Notice you're going to start seeing my queries, because every time I run this, it's going to get logged. But I can see everybody else's, what they were searching. Previous video where I was showing indexes failure, success, there's that. One of the things I did notice, look at this stupid little star. I don't actually know what creates this star. If anyone knows what creates this star search, I'd love to know. I did not go in there and write star and search it. So something is creating the star search. And the problem is, being an asterisk, you cannot just exclude it, because an asterisk is a wildcard. Easy way to solve that then was I used where length of the search is greater than 1. This is 1 length, the character length is 1. So if I get anything larger than 1, it'll exclude the star. And that's why I have that in my query. It was my way of getting around. I would love to say we're not equal to star. The problem is that's a wild card and everything is equal to star. If there's something in that field, it'll come back. So it's hard to exclude stars out, those asterisks. But when I do that, now it's gone. Then I can also query, there's other things you can do. I can restrict it only by user, so I only want to see certain users. I can do that. There's lots of cool ways to restrict down your queries and get back the information you're only caring about. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel, keep coming back and watching the videos, and hope to see you again.